The hail stops, the roof still looks intact from the driveway, and it is tempting to assume nothing happened. But hail damage often appears as scattered impact points rather than obvious missing shingles. Begin on the ground and document the storm before cleaning anything. Photograph hailstones beside a ruler if any remain. Then inspect outdoor furniture, vehicles, window screens, siding, gutters, downspouts, and metal vent covers. Fresh dents or chipped paint on several upward-facing surfaces confirm that the property received impact. They do not prove the shingles are damaged, but they tell you a closer roof inspection is justified. Use binoculars or a zoom camera to scan each roof slope. Hail strikes on asphalt shingles may appear as random dark spots where granules were knocked away. Larger impacts can expose the underlying asphalt or reinforcement mat. True hail damage is usually irregular and scattered. Straight lines, uniform scuffing, or marks concentrated along a walking path may come from installation, tools, foot traffic, or ordinary wear instead. Check the gutters for fresh granules, but don't treat granules alone as proof. New shingles can shed loose material, and older roofs lose granules gradually. Hail damage is more convincing when fresh surface marks align with dents on metal components from the same storm. Inside, inspect the attic for new water entry, but remember that a damaged shingle may not leak immediately. The impact can weaken the surface before rain finds the opening. Do not climb onto a wet or storm-damaged roof or press suspected bruises yourself. Walking can alter fragile evidence and create additional damage. Photograph everything before repairs and arrange a qualified inspection if multiple impact signs appear across the property. The clearest hail case is not one mysterious dark spot. It is a matching pattern of fresh damage on the shingles, metal, and surrounding property from the same event.